light of education is often masked by the darkness of existence in several villages of the country. With electricity still a distant dream in many villages, students are often forced to suffer in silence. But not so in this village of Jharkhand. Here students in nearly 600 households are benefiting from a silent revolution. They have been bestowed with lights in their lives. Thanks to a pioneering experiment by Aditya Energy System, there is a new dawn of hope in the hundreds of households. It is an innovation in science that helps to provide a service that is helpful, is manageable locally, and most importantly is within the paying capacity of the poor. It is a unique example of how scientific knowledge can be effectively used to serve the community responsibly. In a country where millions continue to be denied of even the basic amenities of life, technology needs to have a more human face. And that is what this innovation by Aditya Energy System provides.
The challenge which we have taken up is to provide an electrical light for the 120 million children in Indian villages who are now going to school. Now they are dependent on kerosene lantern or an uncertain electrical connection. We are providing a system that they can manage, repair and use it all the time.
Majority homes in Indian villages do not have electricity connection. Then there are many others that have infrastructure for electricity but no supply. In these villages, it is the kerosene lantern or the crude weak lamp that still provide the much needed illumination to fight the darkness for their existence. According to the rough estimate, 4 crore kerosene lamps consume nearly 8 crore litre kerosene every month in the country. What's more, that is a form of energy that pollutes our atmosphere and is unsafe. But for a vast population forced to live in the absence of basic amenities even 6 decades after independence, these lamps are necessary evil. The worst sufferers are the children. This darkness casts a shadow on their future. Their studies suffer. But for such children, the innovative lamps of Aditya Energy System has came with a ray of hope. The device is a small setup of LED lamp joined in a series. It comes cheap and is absolutely safe. It consists of 3 distinct parts: LED lamp, source of energy and charging devices.
पहले तो हम लोग का घर में पढ़ाई के लिए डिबरी इस्तेमाल होता था, तो ज़्यादा देर तक डिबरी नहीं जल पाता था, जिससे कि पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाता था ज़्यादा रात तक। तो अब तो लाइट हो गया है, यूला लाइट हो गया है एलईडी लैंप का, तो ज़्यादा रात तक जलता भी है और पढ़ने में भी मन करता है। डिबरी में तो ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं पढ़ नहीं सकता था, सो जाता था बच्चा सब। अब तो पढ़ता है और तो और हम लोग का भी फायदा भी हो रहा है, महीना में जो पैसा मिल रहा है उसका।
The LED lamp is designed such that it gives 32 lux light intensity for children to study. The lamp is focused and hence light is not wasted in general illumination. A large number of cheap LED are put in series of parallel configuration so that even if majority burns out, there is still enough light. The energy is provided by a 6.4 volt battery that is recharged at a nominal value of 1 rupee every day. Children carry the lamps with them to a nearby charging point while they go to their schools. While they study through the day, the lamp charges to illuminate their nights. In the evening, when they return home, they carry the lamp back to their homes. The small initiatives have already started, making a difference in the lives of several households. The company has a vision for the future. It plans to eliminate 600 lakhs households, providing employment to nearly 30 lakhs people in the process. The experiment will result in saving of 144 crore litres of kerosene per year. The valuable kerosene that each family using the lamp saves become an investment for the family. With so much to gain, this is one scientific innovation that has a potential to change the face of Indian villages, even as it helps a million of disadvantaged students in the village to make a new beginning.